Listen, I've been frustrated a lot up here, but these recent antics, this kind of theater of the absurd from some of the folks I work with, and I got to say, there are reasonable people in both parties, but now we seem to have the loudest voices on the most extreme who are saying, you know, my way or the highway, whether it's on shutting down our government or violating the full faith and credit of the United States by exceeding our debt limit. It's extraordinarily irresponsible. And we're now going to see with this shutdown kind of pain across not just folks who work for the government, but millions of Virginians and hundreds of millions of Americans as we see this economic recovery, I think, slow and maybe come to a halt. I can assure you in Hampton Roads for the next few weeks, nobody's going to hire anybody whether you work in the government or not because you just don't know what's going to happen. And the Navy and government employment is such an important part of that region's economy. We see the same thing in Northern Virginia. We see it even in areas of our Commonwealth that don't rely upon federal spending but may have a national park or may have a veteran that wants to try to get assistance from the VA or a homeowner who wants to get an FHA loan processed. This has a ripple effect, and in the greatest nation in the world, we don't need this kind of irresponsible action.